Visual Basic contains three methods to remove spaces either beginning of a string, at the end of a string, or both beginning and end. I assigned a variable of ABC the value of 5 spaces, SMCC, and another 5 spaces. If we did the trim method, which removes the leading and trailing spaces, we'd be left with SMCC as just 4 characters in the string and no spaces before or after. If I just want to get rid of the spaces in front of SMCC, I can use trim.start. I can use TrimEnd to remove the trailing spaces. We're not limited to just working with spaces. We can specify a character. So here I have 4 periods, SMCC, and 4 periods, and then that's a literal string, and then .trim, I want to remove the leading and trailing periods. By the way, there are ways to get rid of multiple characters using a list, but we haven't covered list yet, so if you ever need that, be aware that it's possible, and you can easily Google that and find the syntax for that. Where will we use trim? Most likely, we want to get rid of spaces that maybe the user's entered into a text box at the end of an entry or before an entry. In the example here, I've got txt full name as a text box. I want to get the text property, and I want to trim any spaces before or after before assigning it to my string variable of full name. If you just jumped into this video, you can see all the videos from the Programming Practicum playlist by clicking on the image in the lower right. And if you'd like to be alerted to future videos I create, you can click my picture in the top right to subscribe to the channel.